everyone and welcome to Something's Cooking. Today we are going to make a very easy recipe and it's called Mexican style 2-minute egg sandwich. For this we are going to require bread. You can go for white or brown. Eggs, 2 eggs is enough. About 1/4 of onion. Few slices of jalapenos. Teaspoon of mayonnaise. You can go for low-fat mayo. About 2 pinches of salt and about a pinch of black pepper. Let's get started. I'm taking an egg and I'm going to separate the egg white. I'm taking about 2 eggs and I'm putting it into a microwavable safe bowl. Now you have to make sure that this bowl is not bigger than your sandwich bread. This is a very simple recipe. You can have it for breakfast, you can have it for dinner, you can have it when you have unexpected guests at your place, and it's extremely delicious. Egg white, I'm going to add the pepper, black pepper, and the salt. I can even add a little bit of jalapenos inside the egg white, just to get a little taste in it. So let's mix it together, and it's nicely mixed. It's nicely mixed now. So I'm gonna put this in the microwave, and I would cook it for about 40 to 50 seconds. But make sure that you do it at 20 seconds interval, otherwise the egg will ooze out of the bowl. Put the egg in the microwave and I'm going to set it for 20 seconds. I'm probably going to need it to be cooked for 20 seconds by 4 because it actually depends on the strength of your microwave. So after every gap of 5 seconds, I'm going to cook it for 20 seconds multiplied by 4. It's been 40 seconds and as you can see, it's still not yet cooked. So I'm going to keep it for a little bit more. So looks like the egg is ready, and now I'm going to toast my bread. And once it's ready, we'll all put everything together. So the egg is ready and so is the bread. Now I'm going to take the mayo. I'm going to spread the mayo on both the slices of bread. I've taken diet mayo, veg mayo. If you want, you can even add mustard to this. Okay, now I'm gonna scoop the egg out and land it on top of the bread. On this, I'm gonna add few onion slices. And some jalapenos. You can add according to how spicy you like. I've added the jalapenos and now I'm gonna cut the sandwich and it's ready to eat. Voila! Our sandwich is ready. Now, wasn't that like the easiest sandwich to make. If you have a microwave and few eggs and bread, this is something you can throw in for a breakfast or dinner. So you have unexpected guests, this is probably the best, quickest, delicious meal that you can make for your family or friends. Now please do leave some comments for us on our channel Something's Cooking, and please visit and subscribe to our channel for many more easy recipes and quick recipes. Thank you and have a great day.